channel. Today is July 14th, 2022 and 7 a.m. in the morning. And today is my orientation at Boise State University. So in the summer, they do orientation to pick out your classes, spend a night in the dorm to see what it's like, and to just kind of get like a feel, get introduced to the whole college thing. So even though I have my house here right now, I decided to sign up for the overnight thing. So I'm gonna be spending the night in one of the dorms, and I thought that I would take you guys along with me. The reason I chose to do that is because I'm already not going to be getting that college experience throughout the year while I'm living here. So I was like, maybe I'll meet some people during this orientation if I stay the night. It starts at 10 o'clock, so I've got quite a while, but I still haven't even packed. I'm gonna do my makeup really quick, and then I will see you guys after. All right, I just got my suitcase from the Harry Potter closet downstairs, and now I'm going to pack what I need because I'm really running behind. I got sidetracked and called my boyfriend. So, I need 2 different outfits. Okay, actually, I think I might just wear this shirt. This is kind of gross because I'm already wearing it right now, but I think I'm gonna wear this shirt and these Aritzia shorts for today. So let me go put that on. Okay, here's what I'm packing. I'm only staying the night one night, so I don't really need that many clothes. So for pajamas, I've got my brand new Melville pink gingham shorts. These are literally the best shorts ever. Also for pajamas, I've got my Boise State University shirt. They said to bring clothes for the rec center, so I brought the shorts that I wore this morning, which are my Story black biker shorts, and then my Lululemon zip up. I think this is the scuba jacket or the BBL jacket is what people call it. So I'll wear that if I go to the gym. And then for tomorrow's outfit, I've got my black Levi's shorts and this little brownish gray top from Aritzia. So I don't really know. I hope that this is okay to pack. I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited. I don't know anybody. Besides clothes, I have a checklist on my phone. I'm gonna put a screenshot of it on the screen. I've been having a little too fun with notes. I make lists like literally all the time. So I need my official form of identification, check. I've got my driver's license, my Boise State ID number, I have that. I have my laptop, any meds. I just got Benadryl, debit card, I have that. My PJs, change of clothes, athletic wear, have that. So now all I need to pack are my pillow and linen / comforter, my towel, my toiletries, and shower shoes, flip-flops. So I'm going to pack one of these and one of these ones. I'm gonna put all my makeup in this one, as well as my cleanser and moisturizer. Car is packed and ready to go. I just need to put on my tennis shoes and get my backpack. I'm gonna be taking my new Lululemon backpack that I got. It is the cutest thing ever. I'm so excited to finally use it. I got my Hydro Flask. Let me fill this up. This is how orientation went in a nutshell. When we first got there, there was a huge line going into the building. Luckily, we got there a little bit early, so we were kind of in the front, and you check in at a table by your last name. Then once you get checked in, you either take your Bronco ID photo, which I already had submitted mine online, so I didn't need to take that. So instead, I got my key for housing. All right, we're in the elevator right now. It's really freaking hot, and we're going to my room. So this is what it would be like if I was living in a dorm. This is insane. So this is my room. There's 4 rooms. I'm in 404B. This is extremely nice. This bed is Tempur-Pedic. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour of what the whole room looks like for anybody wondering. Right now I'm located in Sawtooth Hall. You walk in and there's rooms C and D, and there's a toilet there, sink there, and then it's basically mirrored on the other side. I'm in room B.
This is our common area. We want to put a TV out here.
Yeah, this is the common area. Room A, there's a shower, a toilet, and then the sinks. Okay, so this person who's in A already moved in. We're gonna set up my room right now. I forgot my tripod. I can't believe I'm staying. We're all good. We're gonna grab lunch at South Fork right now. So we just finished eating and my mom literally comes back with this.
Too hard.
Too hard. Is this like cake?
Some sort of like a blueberry cobbler, strawberry white cake, and brownie. And I just want a little bit of everything.
After lunch, we all met up in one of the big ballrooms where somebody high up introduced the whole orientation program, talked about Boise State. Yeah, we just kind of got like a brief introduction to everything. Then we broke out into small groups and did a lot of icebreaker games. These groups were based off of our interests, but also our majors. So I had a lot of people who were also majoring in business. And then after that, we broke off into two groups. The first group was for people commuting like myself, and within those meetings they just talked about what life is like living off campus and how you can make the most out of your university experience without living in a dorm. But they also gave us a tour of the rec center, which was really cool. So I just got finished with my day here for orientation. Literally, we did so much. I am exhausted and mentally and physically just drained because I got a massage yesterday and I literally cannot move my shoulders. So this may come as a surprise, probably won't, but I'm not gonna actually stay here tonight. I decided that I wanted to go back to my house because there's literally no reason. There's no reason why I need to be staying here. But I met a lot of cool people, made 3 new friends, and yeah, I'll be here tomorrow at 7 a.m. so I'll take you guys along with me. My mom knew I wasn't gonna last.
So we're packing up.
But yeah, today was a good day. Basically, we did so many breakout groups. I had meetings for what life is like living off campus, because a lot of times people feel like if you live off campus, you're not a part of the school life, but you definitely are. And I just realized I have access to the gym, the rec center gym, which I thought I wouldn't have access to. But also this is a good thing that I'm going home because I have a lot of work to do and I would have just been working. Good morning, welcome to day 2 of orientation. This is today's outfit. I've got on this top from Aritzia, shorts are Levi's. Oh wait, I already showed you guys yesterday. This is what I packed when I was thinking I was gonna stay overnight. But I had my matcha this morning, was amazing. Last night I got so much work done. But this morning I am picking out my classes. So it's a pretty important day. I think I'm also signing up for clubs, possibly. So let's go to the school. All I did the second day was pick out my classes. So I registered. I got all 5 of my classes registered and enrolled in. There was one communications class that I wanted to be in with this certain teacher, but didn't get in because I missed the deadline or whatever. I got a different teacher, but apparently she's just as good. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Ciao!